What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for watching. It's Kodi No Limits, and we're back with another video. The Amazon Fire Stick and Fire TV are very popular streaming media players. They're easy to use and inexpensive. You have a choice of several devices. The new Fire TV has a more powerful CPU and GPU chip which stream better than the original devices. The new Fire TV has 2 gigabytes of RAM which will work with large Kodi builds. You can install the latest version of Kodi on the Fire Stick or Fire TV to stream movies, TV shows, live sports, and more. However, the setup process can be a bit of a challenge because Kodi must be installed from the Amazon App Store. Here's the easiest way to install the latest version of Kodi. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, click the notification bell to keep updated with new videos. First, go to the Settings menu. Select Device. Click Developer Options. Set apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging to on. Back to Preferences. Set Advertising ID and set interest-based ads to off for your privacy. Go back to the Home menu. Go to the Search menu. Type Downloader. Select Downloader from the list. And download. Now open Downloader. And allow. And OK. Type the source to download Kodi. and go. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And install. And open Kodi. Here's how to install the build. Select System, File Manager, Add Source. Now click on the box with None and type a path. And OK. Click the other box and type a name. Press OK and back. Add-ons. Install add-ons. Install from zip file. Select Settings and allow add-ons from unknown sources. Click Yes. Go back to Install add-ons. Install from zip file. Select Kodi No Limits and pick No Limits Wizard. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Select your install settings and press Continue. Select Build menu and select a build. There's 4 versions of the build from several servers. If you have any problems downloading, choose a different server. Select Fresh Install and Continue. And force close. Click the Home button on your Amazon remote. Go to Settings, select Applications, Manage Installed Applications, scroll down and select Kodi, and force Stop. And launch application to start Kodi. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and please leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. Also, click the notification bell to keep updated with new videos. See you next time!